Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by powering everything down and removing batteries so you don't short the board. Once done, open the controller with a Torx T6 and gently pry the shell. The reason is to expose the internal trigger assembly without stressing ribbon cables. Make sure to keep screws organized in a tray and note where each one came from. This prevents reassembly confusion and saves time during the repair. Now inspect the RT trigger switch and spring for obvious wear or debris before proceeding. You'll next remove the trigger module and examine the microswitch. This is where most RT issues originate. If contacts are dirty, clean with 90% isopropyl and blow out dust with compressed air, because grime often causes inconsistent actuation. If cleaning doesn't help, desolder the faulty microswitch and solder a new one in the same orientation. Alignment matters for consistent trigger travel. Once the new part is seated, test actuation before closing the shell so you can fix alignment without reopening. Reassemble by reinstalling springs and ribbon cables, then secure the shell using the original screws. This preserves trigger geometry. Once reassembled, connect to your Xbox and test RT in controller settings and in-game to verify consistent press and return. If travel is off, adjust dead zone or recalibrate, because software settings can mask small mechanical issues. If the symptom continues, stutter, no actuation, or intermittent input, try a different replacement switch or consider a professional repair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.